Hello guys, Lucas here, and welcome to the first video of Bukkit programming. First of all, I am going to use Eclipse for this project. So you can download it here. I'll put the download link in the description, and you will like Eclipse Standard 4.4. Now, this is something for yourself. You need to check your Windows bit version and download Craft Bukkit because you'll need it for the project. If you don't export it, you will not be able to do the things you need. It's a sort of API. Now, once you've downloaded that Eclipse and have set up, you're going to make a new Java project, and you have to give the project a name. I'm just gonna call it tutorial. Now, when you come here, there's nothing here. Right click SRC, new, package. I always do me dot my name dot project name, but you can name it whatever you want. And then I always make my main class, and I'll call it main. Now, you have not done the important thing yet. You need to go to properties, Java build path, add external jars, find your Craft Bukkit version, okay, and now you have to import it. Now we are going to make a simple command. Now, public class main extends Java plugin, case sensitive. Also, Control Shift plus O is just like auto import. I'm just gonna leave that there. Now we make our public void unenable. Now we are not going to add anything unnecessary like special add-ons to this. Now you're gonna register your command like this. It's an easier way. You do this dot get command, name of the command dot set executor new class. Now the new, you can call it whatever you want. I'll just call it tutorial. Now I'm going to /tot. Now I'm going to create a class called tutorial. You can do it when you mouse click on it. Now we have here, we make our first command. We'll call this sender. This command cmd string label and string args. Now we first need to do player p equals player sender. You basically create the person executing the command, and the p is an easier way to type it. Instead of typing player with a capital P, you can just do p. And now we do if p not p command dot get it's dot equals just a sec, label dot equals ignore case. Now you're gonna write down what you added here. So we're gonna call this tutorial, and this is errored because you need to do brackets. Now we have this, and if the player has typed /tot, you're going to want to send a message to them with a red chat color, and what you want to know why this is red? because you need to add a semicolon to an end of something like this. So we're gonna add a semicolon, Ctrl Shift O, type in you have typed the command there. Also, this is probably optional for this one, but if args.length equals 1, no wait, 0, and then that. Yeah, I'm just gonna do like that. Now this is basically a basic command, but you know this won't work if you don't register your command. If you want to register a command, you go new file, call it plugin.yml. It's a name and probably version. Let me get my other plugin YML for reference, and main. Now our name of the name is this, the name of our project, so I'll call it tutorial. Now the name is tutorial. Now the main is this plus your main class, which is for me dot my name dot tutorial dot main. So it's actually package plus class, and version 0.1 because you know first version. Now if you register a command, you need command with a S. I always do full spaces, then I type the command name, full spaces again, and then description, and then your command. Now we have now made our basic, and now we want to make it into a jar. Now we right click on the thing, click export jar file, next, select this. Now if you're going to make a plugin, if you want to test it, you redirect it to the folder of plugins, and then the name, how you want to call it. Always have this behind it, otherwise you won't get a jar file. So I'm just gonna call it the jar finish. Oh yeah, you need to save these things. Okay, now let me start up my server. Let's see, new map, Bukkit GUI. Yeah, I use Bukkit GUI, it's pretty useful. Minecraft, loading, come on. Well, okay, I'll just close this, click start. Let's go search Minecraft again. Yeah, we need to oh, I just saw it. Yeah, so we click Minecraft and start the game, and this may take a while. So we're launching the game. Now this is not what our problem, this is something else. Now we're gonna start the game a second. Yeah, Bukkit is having problems, and this didn't interfere with anything. It's just that the plugin was already initialized. so I'll need to check that. So we go to a server. I have called it localhost. Now you see on the Bukkit GUI. Now let me type tut. Look, your first command. Well, what do you think? Go tell your mom you're now officially a starter coder. Congratulations. Now see you next time, guys. Good